Today, let's visit the zoo and learn the names of different animals. Mammals. Warm-blooded animals that have hair or fur and feed their young with milk. Elephant. Elephant. Giraffe. Giraffe. Lion. Lion. Tiger. Tiger. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Koala. Koala. Monkey. Monkey. Zebra. Zebra. Reptiles. Cold-blooded animals with scales. Snake. Snake. Crocodile. Crocodile. Turtle. Turtle. Lizard. Lizard. Birds. Animals with feathers and wings. Parrot. Parrot. Penguin. Penguin. Flamingo. Flamingo. Owl. Owl. Amphibians. Cold-blooded animals that live on land and in water. Frog. Frog. Toad. Toad. Salamander. Salamander. Newt. Newt. Fish. Animals that live in water and have gills. Shark. Shark. Goldfish. Goldfish. Clownfish. Clownfish. Stingray. Stingray. Seahorse. Seahorse. Great job! Keep practicing. And soon you'll know all the zoo animals. Like this video. Comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more lessons.